Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, All Fingers Wolf. I hope you are having a good time in your holiday vacation, or for most of us, staycation. Alright, let's head on to the reason why I'm here today. I just want to share with you the unboxing of the MSI 27-inch monitor. Last time, I've shared with you the 27-inch Samsung Curve monitor. That's right, the Curve monitor is not for me. I feel dizzy every time I use it, so I don't recommend it. And this one, I got the flat one from MSI, which I've learned that the MSI stands for Microstar International. That's right, I'm learning as well. Anyway, I bought the Optix G273 and it's their sports gaming monitor. Hey, I'm not a gamer, but I enjoy watching movies online and YouTube videos. No judgment here, please. Anyway, the five features that makes me buy this one are the IPS panel, 165 Hz refresh rate, the 1 millisecond response time, night vision feature, and the wide color gamut. We'll talk about these features in a few minutes. So as we open the box, you'll find the monitor or the display safely enclosed with the fitted styrofoam. We've got the cable, the power cable, the display, and under it you got the base, which is made of metal. And there was the power adapter. Then we got the quick start guide, the invitation cards, the thank you card, the reward program card invitation, and the card that invites you to review their product. And we've got bolts too that comes with it in case you want to mount it in the wall or any multiple monitor stand. And this one, the base, is made out of metal, which I would say makes the monitor or this product reliable. And this is the middle support, the middle stand. At first I thought the square one is the one that goes at the table or is the base, but after checking, it's the one that you attach in the back of the display. So that's how you do it, the base and then the middle stand. So this one you can adjust the angle of your monitor, either push backward or pull forward. It depends on your preference. Oh, I forgot to mention that we found the dual display cable in the packaging as well. So we've got the dual display cable and the HDMI cable. So that's it. Those are the things we found inside that giant packaging. Again, the base of this monitor is made out of metal and the middle support is coated with plastic and there's a metal in the middle of it, which I believe makes it a reliable support for the monitor. I'd say it's one of the impressive features of this computer monitor. Plus, this monitor is mount ready. And for the assembly, just make sure to lay it flat in a flat surface. As you can see here, I use the styrofoam just to make sure it's protected. And assemble the base in the stand first and then inserted it in the back of the display. And put the screws, two screws to attach the base, or I mean the support on it. So it's a pretty straightforward uh, instruction, so there is nothing to worry when you assemble this display. Alright, as promised, I'll share with you the 5 features of this MSI Optix G273 features that made me buy this monitor. Let's start with a IPS panel. So it has IPS panel, which promise you to provide best color and viewing angles. So there's nothing much really to say about it. It's pretty self-explanatory. We want a good monitor that gives you good images and colors and with the right angle. The next ones are the refresh rate of 165 hertz and a 1 millisecond response time. So we're gonna uh, discuss the second and third feature. So these numbers are really a big deal for gamers, since it would mean perfect fine viewing and gaming experience. However, the 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, experts says that it is too good to be true. Hence, 1 millisecond response time is perfect for any refresh rate. Well, for me, whether it's true or a lie, it's still worth a try. And there's only one way to find out, and that's you getting one, right? Did I just do rhyming in that last one? Well, forgive me on that one. Anyway, the next feature, or the fourth feature that makes me buy this one, is the night vision feature. I might be wrong, but it seems they are the first one to do this. They say that it is the new feature added to their monitor configuration software, which is called Gaming OSD app. It amplifies the details in the dark area of your screen, as opposed to brutally brightening the whole screen and cause some areas to overexpose. That sounds so deep. So if you're interested to know more about this MSI monitor update, I will leave a link below for your reference. So that's the night vision feature. It sounds so good too. Moving on, and the last feature but not the least feature, this MSI Optix G273 has wide color gamut. And without researching or Googling, I'd say this display monitor should give you a good picture. Or if you don't believe me, then let's hear what the experts say. Let's say it will give you true to life image. Told you I was right. Anyway, stay tuned for next upload for the testing of this monitor. We'll check if these features are being met in real-time performance. There you go, folks. Thank you for tuning in. If you have violent reactions, recommendations, or if you got something to say, don't be shy to leave a comment below. This is Little Fingers World saying bye for now, and Happy New Year to all of you.